Someone should explain to us what is really going on in Edo State. Now, Rufai Oseni wrote, from my mail boss, my hometown, Ogboha, is seriously under siege of the herdsmen. Killing, raping, kidnapping my people. We cannot sleep without our eyes closed here again. We cannot go to farms anymore. Uromi, Ugboa Road has become a no-go area as kidnapping and killing are a daily occurrence on the road. No business activities going on again. Life is at a hopeless state right now. Ugboa is in eastern southeast local government area of Edo State. Yes. All right, let us dig deep why the Edo State governor is crying about the 24 people that just died yesterday. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is 26th day of February 2025. Today being the 26th day, Edo State Governor Monday Okpebolo is lamenting about the death of 24 persons killed in the farm. They were killed in the farm. You know, it could be termed, according to them, but I will tell you the real thing. I will tell you nothing but the truth. It could be termed like herders and farmer clashes. But where do we see herders and farmers clashes in Edo State again? What are they clashing for? We are going to unfold everything that is happening in Edo State right before you. You know, before now, if you have been following me, I talked about what will happen in Edo State, and it's already happening. Okay, I said that about 4 months ago, 3 months ago, 2 months ago. I do live video about that. I'm telling them this and this is going to happen. Look at what is going on in your states. Okay, now yesterday I reported about 2 people that were killed by the Fulani herdsmen who are terrorists. They ambushed and they killed them going to the farm. Now, what led to the death of 22 people is what I'm going to tell you now. It's nothing but people who are coming to steal cocoa. You know, Edo State, they farm rubber and cocoa very well. So these people are coming to steal their cocoa. So it's just like what is going on in Ebonyi State, where they will come, they will steal your pineapple, steal everything. If you talk, they will come and fight you. If you retaliate, the government will join them to wipe you away. This is what has been happening. It's so unfortunate. Now, let's understand what really transpired, okay? Now that the Edo State governor is already crying out, that is just a media cry, okay? I don't really want to go deep into what I know about all those things, okay? But if politicians are just talking because of insecurity, they are talking for talking's sake. All of their hands has been tied. They don't have solution to what is going on. Now, the article of the news reads that Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebolo has vowed to deploy heightened security measures and bring perpetrators of deadly violence across the state that claimed 24 lives in 2 separate incidents in a week to justice. Now, out of the article, even though the president promised to bring security, the governor promised to bring security, dear the indigenous people of every community, do not believe or rely on the security they are promising you. It is going to fail. They will even keep quiet, seeing them killing you people. What happened in Ebonyi State should teach you a lesson, okay? Get ready and defend yourself. You have a right to live. This has been my message right from time. You have a right to live. Don't let anyone to take your life unnecessarily. No matter the level of weapon they are bringing, make sure you defend yourself with the way they are coming, okay? Now, the first attack erupted in the agrarian community of Belemoti of your southwest local government area, following clashes between cocoa farmers and alleged produce thieves. Okay, initial report from the Edo State Police Command indicated that 7 fatalities, but local sources confirmed at least 22 deaths. The violence began on Thursday night and escalated Friday morning when sympathizers of the victims launched a counter-attack, resulting in further casualties. Militants reportedly involved in the clash also destroyed buildings and farm produce worth millions of naira across 7 farming communities in the area. When you hear about militants or herdsmen, know that they are terrorists. There is nothing like militant and herdsmen, okay? These people are not Fulani militia, okay, as the news used to parade them. They are terrorists. Now, in a separate incident on Monday, suspected herders killed 2 residents, Batemoe Philip Ebo and Christopher Bello in Okpekpe community, Esako East local government area of Edo State. The attack has heightened tension in the region, already grappling with farmers-herder conflicts. Tell me, out of the article, tell me this issue of herders-farmers clashes in Edo State again. What are they? What is the essence? What is herders farmers clashes? It's not because these people are bringing cows now to come and eat up the farm produce that is causing the clashes. These people are criminals. They will come to thieves to steal the farm produce because they are in the bush. They are hungry. They don't have work. They don't have work. We warn you people that all these things are going to come. There is nobody that will come out today to tell me that this is because I warned everybody. I warned everybody. I do report things before it happens. Okay? Now, let's go to the next paragraph. Say, however, in a statement issued by his press secretary, Fred Itua, Governor Okpebolo described the attacks as devastating and reaffirmed his administration's zero tolerance policy towards violence. The governor pledged support for displaced families and collaboration with security agencies, traditional leaders, and communities to prevent future outbreak. The statement reads in part, the governor also denounced the killing of two farmers, Batamoi Philip Ebo and Christopher Bello in Okwekwe community, Sako, East local government area, by suspected herdsmen on Monday. The devastating attack on 7 farming communities in Ovia Southwest, which left 22 people dead and several others injured, was reportedly carried out by militants. The militants also destroyed buildings and farms produced worth millions of naira. We will not tolerate any form of violence or lawlessness in Edo State. We will work tirelessly to ensure that those responsible for these heinous acts are brought to justice, and we do everything in our power to prevent such incident in the future. Meanwhile, Governor Okpebolo has ordered the deployment of additional security personnel to the affected areas and promised support for affected communities. He added, we are committed to ensuring the safety and security of all Edo State residents. We will work closely with security agencies, traditional leaders, and community members to achieve this goal. We urge everyone to remain calm and go about their normal business. We are doing everything possible to ensure the situation is brought under control. Now, I really want to partially say that Okpebolo is showing concern, okay? I really want to partially say that. Why? Because his counterpart governor, the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Francis Oboriwori is not saying anything about the death toll in Delta State. Almost the whole community in Delta State has one insecurity or the other. These people are in the bush. Many people in Delta State are no longer going to farm. A lot of things has been going on. And it seems as if Oboriwori is sleeping over it. No matter what you do, Governor of Delta State, no matter the things you said you achieve, it's none of our business. As far as you are unable to protect the lives of the people have taken their destiny into their hands. We've concluded that Nigeria is already on autopilot. You see, it's not everything we'll call the president or we'll call the federal government. We don't have governor who is for the people, who are for the people. If we have governors who are for the people, you collaborate with the people, empower the people will secure themselves. You buy weapons, buy things for them, arrange vigilante group, they will secure themselves, forget about what they are telling you. So it's not everything we call federal government. Yes, federal government has sponsored terrorism. They have been indicted, their officials are involved, and so on and so forth. But are you going to leave your people to be dying? It is important that the Delta State governor should step up his game because as far as I'm concerned, he's sleeping. Oboriwori is sleeping about insecurity in Delta State. It doesn't concern him. He don't give speech. People die every day in Delta State, but nobody talks. It could be that the local council chairmen are not informing him because I think commissioners in various local government or the local government chairmen, they are supposed to be informing him. But if they are not informing him, it's none of our business because he's in charge of the state. It's none of our business if they are not informing him. So Okpebolo even come out to say, I will cross them, I will do this. Oboriwori know they talk. Oboriwori he feel of concern. Now, regarding the issue of farmers clashes and Fundani militia, these two words is confusing people. When you hear herders farmers clash, these are the result of maybe people who are carrying cows, entering people's farm, eating it up. When you hear Fundani militia, these people are just targeting people to kidnap. And not only kidnapping people, these people are also just there to kill, to steal, and to destroy. So it has nothing to do with herders farmers, but these people have just come to kill, to steal, and to destroy. I don't really know the problem of all these Fundani people. I don't know their problem. I don't know their problem. But I still want to warn that these people cannot carry out all these things successfully without their companies of people who owns the community. There must be one or two people who will always tell them what to do and what not to do, supporting them. However, I'm not ignorant that these people will come to the community and pretend to be sent, helping you to farm, going on your bushes. After 3 months, they'll begin to strike. That was what happened in my area. So I'm talking by experience. I'm not just saying things that I see on the internet. I'm talking about what is going on in my area. So let me know what you think about this, but it's a pathetic situation, and I have to repeat this to you. You have a right to live, okay? Nobody has the right to take your life. So if you understand and you truly know that you have right to live, you defend the life. Because if you wait for the government, agencies to come and save you, according to T.Y. Danjuma, you will all die one by one. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I'm Okochapi myself, talking reality out of issues.
Every one of us must rise up. The armed forces are not neutral. They collude. They collude. They collude with the armed bandits that kill people, kill Nigerians. They facilitate their movements. They cover them. If you are depending on the armed forces to stop the killings, you will all die one by one.
Good evening, everyone. How many of you remember or know T.Y. Danjuma? Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma. He is a former chief of army staff. Read my names. A former chief of army staff. Now, this man gave